Sin ac sif, 100,000 fáilte. Cimar a chuir sin fáilte bhlá duine Gàidhlig, no Gàidhlig, well, le bhí a cynnig rua agus a céili ora. Nis a chynnig céili le féilig, broch an dawnsa, agus ceol rwys a bhil dŵ lacamsa yn dŵ, ach cyrm chárstil le diofiach. Man chanasat an yna ish, ar gad o laf. Nis a, mi iach sif riaf et dawnsa céili, maar iach mis a immet a chwyr. Chan il data a chwrys yn t-acras orst, maar a fi a dalwasgwg fiach yn oorler. Gyn sin a firin, truth be told, gyn sin a firin, bi a cwr yn t-acras mór ormsa. Tervis de Calba na Eaglais seo, the doorway of the church. Calba na Eaglais, a fáilte bhlá, campanas, Aoigheachd agus bíag blasta I féidir duine as gach cearnaí iontail. Sulan fai mi hain grain bí? Well, mud a fainig, chanai. Is ma an balla an some fire bíag rí iari. It's a good town or farm where food can be got for the asking. Is ma an balla an some fire bíag rí iari. Ha cerrit dúig an ruchgachug an cohanol na Eaglais seo. Be slúig am Glasgow's na Hochcatin, Glasgow's miles better. Ach san áte seo, bhíag Glasgow smells better a cheart go imimechi. As cion a chitchin and Jew, a Dennis Enrique Ramos a El Salvador. Hola, Dennis.
Hola.
Can you tell me what's on the menu tonight?
Tonight we have a chicken, fried chicken, together rice with veggies, tomato salad, lettuce, which we have a chorizo also.
And who's coming in for food tonight then?
It's the neighbors together at the church, some people, the sister and brother for the church. It's a different, sometimes somebody in the street maybe coming here for the guests. That's so great.
And people get more than just a meal here, don't they?
They are coming here for the community meal the Tuesday. Other day we have a service for support the accommodation house, I think. Also for the English class. They are helping for also for the kids. The different people, the different country. That is a community, is intercultural here. That is great.
So can I do something in the kitchen? Can I help out?
Yes, of course. You can help me because I'm the chopped tomato.
Bíon clár bí na díothe cóirsnach I gcatharcha gach seachcan le difar cháchgran bá fiach na crunne. Ha fáilte is furan rá gachneach. An sa kitchen agus a frialig na bard ha sin ulle nar máb. Incredibly busy. Nar máb. Mar a han sénach go le gra chaníoch curum gun a córig. A feast is worth nothing without its conversation. Chaníoch curum gun a córig. Agus apad gyfil sin yn follis yn sio le cólachgus is capatich. Agus syrli mi gyfil sio gyfi nochgwg e chlad biach am hen is tai. Chagaf yn sych Gaelach ach ylan. Me vau rief an farstich Eaglais in a generous household, an farstich Eaglais, Bisakit gyfil dyrnia awn nach gafn júltug nu da had de tabin biag na balakamast. Agus ha kutstje viag in awn schille gemiochtlin. That make my mouth water. Schille gemiochtlin. Ha, skatan is runnach uur. Ja, maracu. Joy. Fé mi tu heen a hien en oel gut a viag uuriken. Or is ma en tui hig sonnes rilien.